Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this series of spaCy Quickies. This is Duygu, your senior NLP developer and author of Mastering spaCy. I am very excited to meet you in this brand new channel of mine. After publishing blog posts on Medium and publishing a book, I wanted to meet the NLP lovers on YouTube as well. My channel contains best practices of language and speech development as well as some tips and tricks. I will provide each self-contained class in a dedicated playlist. Each playlist will have a different focus as well as a different format. Some playlists will focus on statistical algorithms, some will cover linguistic concepts in depth, and some will focus on writing production code. Coming to this series of spaCy Quickies, you pick up a spaCy skill only in few minutes. Each video of this series contains one focus functionality with one linguistic concept. The code is short and compact. Linguistic concept is explained practically. So each video contains an NLP concept, corresponding spaCy code and explanation. By the end of each video, you gain your brand new spaCy skill. This is a series of focused and compact videos. This series is part of my Autumn-Winter 21 collection. If you want to discover linguistic concepts in more depth, I offer another playlist from this collection, which is called a Linguistic Primer. If you have questions and comments, always feel free to drop them to the comment section of videos. This is a great practical series and you gain so many skills by investing only a little time. Well then, if you are ready, let's get started. Hit the play button, go on to the next video and enjoy the playlist.